spicy and smoky. So that you need to remember. Huh? Unlimited sweet. And it's all mixed basically, you know. So you get spicy, little sweetness, garam. Yeah, it's
Tira.
no, it's too much. So we'll try to get the black plate. So we'll blend it a bit nice rather than this one. Okay, this is basically after dinner drinks. So once you serve like this to the guests, you will take out this one. Okay, till it goes to the guest, you serve like this. How do you call this one? How do you call this one? Orange strip. So it's basically a digestive after dinner drinks. It's smoky. Even the ladies can drink. It has a little bit sweetness. Smoky, spicy. It has its spicy syrup. Okay. The spicy mean is not really spicy. It's like a cinnamon and stuff.
Spices.
So it's not spices. It's not chili spicy.
Yeah,
Huh?
chili spice.
So once you get it, and you remove this one from the gas and give this one. So this will be the clear.